What's up, my boys? What's up, guys? So, hope all works great. Looks like so, at least. Okay, my boys, let's go. So, let's try to fix yesterday's problems. First, that was what? That was a problem with updating our data after buying something. Let's go, my boys. Let's go, my boys. So let's see what's the problem we have. So when we go to the shop, open the crates and inventory crates also. So if we buy a new crate, by the way, let's see, I want to see one thing. So we buy one crate and it's not appear here immediately. It's not appear at all. What the hell? It's very interesting. Why it's like so. Yeah, because we not render our crate stuff in our inventory. We need just update this, and we probably should make that, I think. Okay, alright. In main controller, I think. Why not? Because here as we render our items, we have here as current tab, render items. I wanna see one more thing. Print. Let's print. What's tab open? Great. Let's sell this one. Maximum. Okay, let's go to the shop. Let's buy this one. Buy. Okay, so current tab. Oh, okay. It returns just a subclass for us. Yeah. I've got it. What's that? Current sort, priced, best, worst. Okay, this is should work. All should work. I don't know why it doesn't work. So done crate. All should work. Very strangely, why it doesn't update? Because we render that, right? Render items. Okay, maybe we don't need to update that, but it looks like we need to update that. Let's go. Hello, welcome, bro. Let's go to our services. Let's go to inventory system. Let's go to presentation, tab controller, create tab. Let's go here and let's find our method which is responsible for render items. If we update, we call again self get items, right? I wanna see print update. We'll make little debugging here. Yeah, like this one. Okay, let's start again and let's see here's the difference. So let's sell this one maximum. Okay, let's go to the shop, create, stun crate, and open here as crate. Okay, great. So buy one, update, so it should be updated, right? If we buy again, okay, it's already here. Very strangely, why it's not update after first one? Very strangely, why it's not update after first one? It should be updated. Let's see what's the way how it works. So as we remember, all items equals self filter table or self get items. If we remove this line and change it to self get items, wait, self and index, maybe maybe wait, probably this we should place later, definitely, because we don't know about end index. Wait, maybe that's a problem and that's all. Let's try again like so. Hello, welcome my boys. Okay, let's try now. Go to inventory, go to crates, sell everything here, go to the shop, go to the crates, and open here the crate. Okay, buy. My boys, all works. That was really a problem. Looks like so. Looks like that was really a problem. What the hell? Worst to best, best to worst. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So really, the problem. This is. Have you guys play tested the game? Not yet, bro. There's nothing to test. You can play test if you want, of course, if you find two players. But I remake that version of the game, and soon we play test new version. So the problem, we calculate like all items by using this one only. Definitely, we should place this here, this later. And probably we'll need to make it everywhere. Let's see. Render items. Update. Okay, yeah, that's right. We need to place it here. Because everywhere we can have less all items than we have. It can cause some problems in the future. Hey, hello Noel, hello, welcome bro. Okay, crate stop. Let's go to the crate stop. But here is now we have some problems with filters. So it's sorted by default, right? Self current sort filter, current sort option. Maybe guys, maybe just we need to make current sort option. Okay, let's see where we set our current sort. Okay, let's make self default sort. This is crate stop, default sort equals to, let's take that from here, filter and option. Filter and option, like this one. Filter default. like what is newest first probably. Let's go to filter controller, inventory filter, crates filter, yeah, like this one. What is default? What is default? I wanna see. Crates filter, what is default for crates? Let's check that. Self current sort filter, sort filter button. Okay, where we call this? I am very interested. Current sort filter. Great, stop. Sort. We have default, let's see. Self current sort filter. Didn't get where we set that. Only here, but okay, current sort we set here. I'm very interested. Self filter sort, okay. Let's go sort filter names. For the names, this is the first one. Names, this is CN, okay. So how it's sorted, I don't know. Very interesting how it's sorted by default. Wait. Probably the problem because we need first call all items and only then sort, right? Let's check again. Maybe looks like so. So by default it's sorted by price. So Ninja crate should always will be at the beginning, right? Right. Let's sell everything here. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to the crates. Buy. Okay. Price. Done crate first. This is not right. Absolutely. TN. Amount. Why it's sorted like so, I don't know. Maybe we need to set default by price. Okay, price. Price and filter option. Best to worst. This is like default we try to set, and here instead of this one, default sort, yeah, like this one. Okay, let's try. Go to the crates, let's sell this one. Let's go to the crates, buy this one. Anyway, it's the first position. Hey bro, how you doing? Great bro, thank you. Hello, welcome. So the problem with sorting, right? Right. For some reason we create that incorrectly. Okay, self sort, set filter table, right? Filter and button. Render items. After that, render items. Maybe we need to put this one at the beginning. Yeah, looks like so, by the way. Looks like so. Professor Pencil Top, negative girl in the line. Hello, thank you. Okay, let's try now. Let's sell that. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to the crates here. What? What the hell is that? No, it's not right. Maybe default sort we even don't need. Maybe the problem with something else. Okay, sort, we call that and it goes here. If we sort it again somewhere, let's check that. No, only here. Only here. Okay, okay, I think I know, guys, what can be the problem. Maybe like so. Anyway, we need to do. Okay, crates. We sell this crate. Sell. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, great. Buy. Let's go, my boys. All right. I've got it. What's the problem? Because we don't set up the filter table. Filter table we don't use. We just so really we don't need this line at all. I think we don't need this line at all because we already have this line. Oh wait, no, this is not right. We need this line definitely because here we set filter table to nil, right? And here we don't have filter table, and we need to get that filter table we set by using this method, self sort, and we don't need this line probably. Okay, let's try again if all works great or not. So let's go to inventory, let's go to the crates, let's sell I wanna sell, for example, ninja crate, because default our sort this is by price. So ninja crates should be at the first place. It's at the first place, my boys. Let's go. This is what I tried to fix along half an hour probably yesterday, but now it fixed like in 15 minutes, my boys. This is always works for me, and this is like a rule. You need sometimes just have some rest, and after that you easily fix all your problems, my boys. So let's go in inventory. Let's check again. I sell that. By the way, I wanna sort by name. So ninja should be first, and when I buy a tank crate, it should be the second one. It's the second one, my boys. It's the second one. Amount, okay, amount the same. Okay, my boys. So now what I wanna check. What I wanna check again. I wanna sort by amount and buy one more. Oh, my boys, it's work. It's work. Okay, guys. Hope it fixed. And we need to do what? Probably that's all. I think that's all. It looks like so. Profound, I think you should make some currency formatter so it's easier to read. Maybe, bro, maybe. Yeah, I also... Someone told me about that already. Maybe you're right, maybe you're right. Okay, let's make that. Hello, let's make... So guys, any ideas how to make currency formatter better? Maybe use... maybe use like k, 1k, 2k, like so. Function currency formatter format number. Yeah, let's make that. Okay, maybe we just find something prepared or already prepared. Let's check. Okay, this is not hard, I think. If... oh wait, 1k, 1 million, or with commas. Maybe you're right, bro, maybe you're right. Return... okay, return just what we need. Okay, number. For example, we get the number. We need to format that to string, right? And yeah. Okay. Number format. So, what's this? One second, my boys. 1 second, guys. Found one script. If you want, I can send you on Discord. 1 second, bro. I try just to use ChatGPT. I wanna see one thing. Okay, great. Okay, great, great. I send you case you need it. Yeah, send me, bro. Send me. I wanna see that. Okay. Fix what? I don't know. I'm not sure, guys. This is right. Maybe a formatter make like just a commas or something like so, or dots. Or maybe just spaces. Okay, thank you, Noel. I think I'm not sure that there's such a big amounts of money. That's why. Maybe just spaces like so will be better, really. Well, string. You want spaces, recommend commas instead. You think you think commas better? Maybe commas just some people will be confused. Like me, if I see commas, probably I'll be confused. Like that. Okay, let's try this one. We'll see how it looks like. Substring a text part of string. String you want to cut from. Start index where to start. First character. Last character, second to last. Okay. And index where to end. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I got it. -4. Take everything as fed last 3. Because with spaces it looks a bit weird for me, like it's not all part of the currency. Okay, that's not a problem. We can just take the same thing and just add a comma instead of space and it works. Okay, let's try like this one first. Okay, currency formatter. Let's take that. Result. Okay, result. Anyway, I want to explain that. First loop iteration string. Oh, like 7 numbers, okay. To string. Oh, we can get the number of okay, great. String less than 3. If not 3, we just skip that and string result. Okay, great. Oh, more than 3. First loop iteration string sub string minus 3 5 6 7 plus 3 result. String sub okay, so this is like the next loop will be only this for yeah, okay, I've got it. Now string, okay, result, okay. String for more than 3. String 2, okay. Result. Oh, okay, I've got it. Okay, yeah, I've got it, how it works. Okay, let's see if all right. Currency formatter. Okay, where we set currency? Set currency probably we set inside inside tab controller, looks like so. Set currency, yeah, like this one. Let's call here's local require game get service replicated storage modules utils currency formatter. Okay, currency formatter. Format. Okay, local file formatted currency, and currency, and just instead of that, let's copy that. Formatted currency, let's try that. Let's see if maybe some problems. Okay, it's separated like so, as you see. Let's try with commas. Let's try with... Okay, let's wipe the data first. Let's see how it looks like so. So what do you think, guys? Like separated with spaces? Let's buy something. For example, I don't know, this one. Oh yeah, it's only in inventory. We need it in the shop the same thing. Let's do for the shop the same. Shop system presentation tab controller. Currency formatter, let's copy that from here. Okay, let's try. So it looks like so. Okay, let's try with commas, why not? We need to check both ways. Just replace it with comma. So guys, what do you think about this? Better? What about dots maybe? Or dots that doesn't fit? I don't know. I'm not experiencing in this a lot, how it should be. For me it looks the best with commas. Oh yeah, because as you see, standard is much Europe, France, Russia, Ukraine. Yeah, because in my country I see usually with spaces. Yeah, I see usually with spaces. And okay, yeah, in some countries probably commas better. But you forgot to put the formatter into create prices. Oh yeah, bro, yeah, you're right. So commas, bro. Okay, let's make commas, why not? If that's not a big deal, guys. That's not a big deal to... If a lot of guys don't will be confused, I just changed that. Later, just one sign and just one... Yeah. Just one line and we'll fix all of that. Yeah. By the way, I forgot to put formatter into case price, create prices. Yeah, bro, you're right. You're right. Let's make that. Currency formatter. Price. Wait. Wait, what's that? This is shop system. Yeah, should be a price here. Or not, wait. Maybe I'm wrong. In the shop, you can create... Oh, we don't have a price. We have a price only here. Maybe we should place here as a price, by the way. Maybe we should place. Okay, later. This is not the main thing we need to focus. Okay, in best deals, yeah, we have probably price. Yeah, new price we have. Okay, let's put here require utils currency formatter. Let's go. Format. And old price somewhere we have. Oh, this is old price. Let's make like so, okay. Let's make like so and see how it looks like. Oh yeah, like this one. Great, okay. Also, we'll make that in viewer. Let's okay, no. Wait, in inventory we don't have that at all, right? Right, we don't have that. So let's make that in viewer. In viewer, currency formatter. Go to viewer controller, best deals viewer, utils, let's place here, and price. Let's make it right here. Format. And here is like so. Okay, let's try. Yeah, great. Great, as you see. On the buttons we have that. On old price we see that. Great. Okay, let's copy that. Create sphere. Local utils. Models. Utils. Price. Yeah, like here, I think. Okay, let's go copy that again. Close that. Go to rates tab. Probably we don't have here any price or have. We don't have here the price. Yeah, because or wait. In the viewer we have price, definitely. Yeah, only in the viewer here. Local utils, modules utils. Price. Okay. Crates viewer, monster viewer. Here's also we don't have one more thing where we have that. This is definitely, oh yeah, in info we should have all of that. Create info. Yes. Let's make local modules, replicated storage modules. Sup bro, welcome bro, what's up? Currency formatter, price, here's currency formatter dot format, and let's put it here. Okay, let's copy all of that. We also need to place that in the shop, definitely. Let's copy, create info, monster info also. Definitely will have a price. Let's make like so. Local modules. Here is just probably here format, like this. Survivor info. Local modules equals to this one, and replace this one. Price format, like this. And the same thing we need to make, of course, in shop info. Let's go here. Let's go to the shop, presentation, info controller, yeah. Create info. Okay, the same thing, absolutely. Create info. Local modules equals to this one, to this one. Price format, put here is it is. Hi, hello, welcome, hello. This is create info. Let's copy that. Wait. Yeah, we don't have info for our deals, by the way. We don't have info because it can be mixed. So probably that's all, my boys. Let's see if we're right or not. So we go to the shop. We go to the shop, and as we see, all separated here. Let's go to the crates. Okay, it's not separated because it's less than. Yeah, but if it okay, let's change the price of our crates. Crate system. infrastructure configs survivor crates. For example, 3000 and 2000, just for example. Yeah, it's separated here, and here is also great. Go to inventory. Okay, let's buy some crates. Okay, let's make like so. Yeah, and I wanna open them. I wanna see on my survivors price. Okay, let's open more, because maybe we get some rare. Okay, yeah, 2000 survivor. Oh, what? Wait. Yeah, that's a bug. So it covers our info. Yeah, okay. So how it covers that? Probably should closed after. Yeah, it should be closed. Yeah, we need to clear selection here in our viewer. Yeah, definitely. For info also. Okay, let's fix this problem. Inventory system, this is for info controller. We need to make something which clears and close our info. Create info, for example. Let's go here. Clear. Yeah, we need something like we made. Yeah, something like we made for when we switch the tabs. Let's do something the same. Maybe self-info controller. Also, we need refresh, or like clear, like this. Maybe, okay, maybe we create a better new method here. Switch. Self clear. Also, maybe not. Let's try this one just. Switch. Inventory, this one. Why I can't join your game? What a game, bro, what a game. This game or what? Or first or Meme Tower Defense? Okay, tank crate. Yes, this game, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Probably that doesn't work. And you need first minimum 2 players if you want to join. Let me check, by the way. What's here? Okay, that's for a long time. So let's open inventory frame info and let's see what we have here. Maybe just make it invisible and that's it. I joined, bro. I don't know what's the problem. I joined. Let's see how it looked before. What the hell is that? What the hell? Absolutely different. Okay. Absolutely. Equip. Maybe you can't play alone, bro. Yes, you can't play alone. You need minimum 2 players to play. Okay, switch. Switch just clear. Maybe it isn't enough. Maybe we just need to hide that. Okay, let's see how we call that first. When we press info button, this we press where? This we press inside viewer. Inside the viewer. For example, create viewer. We press here as a button. Info controller show, just show. Okay, and let's go now inside our create info show. What is show? Maybe we don't need that, by the way. Show self GUI visible true. Oh yeah, that's it. Maybe just, guys, self visible to false here. Yeah, maybe it can solve all our problems with this one, right? Looks like so. Okay, let's try. This is for crates only. So we open the crates, we open the info, switch to survivors. Okay, let's make the same method everywhere. This is pretty important. Create info, monster info, I have time to watch. Yeah, hello Phoenix, welcome bro. Okay, my boys. Let's put switch here. Monster info switch. Let's open survivor info and make the same thing here. Survivor info. Bro, new hairstyle. Yes bro, I just lost my hairbrush. This called this style. Okay. And we need to add in every tab our new method like this: monsters, survivors, and raids. Let's go. Still good. Thank you bro, thank you bro. Okay, let's place it here and let's place it here. Let's try, my boys. So we go to inventory. I wanna open, for example, info for this guy, right? I switch to the monsters. It switched from here. I wanna open info from about this guy. What the hell is here? Okay, about this guy we can discuss. Yeah, it works, as you see when we switch between. What is behind? What is behind? Tank crate. Maybe we need to clear. Maybe we need to clear anyway. It looks like so. Now it's working. I joined the game. Great, bro. Great. Congratulations, my boy. So, self-clear. Maybe we need also self-clear. Make that. Yeah, looks like that's the problem. I hope it fixed that. But I'm not sure absolutely, guys, about that. Oh, range bar we don't need. Survivor info we need that. Let's go, my boys. Let's try that. So go to inventory, open the info for tank, right? Right. Go to the monster, open the monster info. Doesn't work, still doesn't work. Okay. Tank crate. Okay. Go to survivors again. Why tank crate is here, I don't know. This is very interesting for me. This is very interesting for me. Tank crate. So it's closed, but it's not removing. What the hell? Okay. So looks like wait. Creates monsters survivors, right? Creates monsters survivors. We should clear all of that in creates info also, right? Right. Self GUI visible. True. There is a false. Maybe in create tab info controller switch. Didn't get, what the hell? Why did I get so much coins? Because this is test version, bro. This is test version to test. But there is old version. You can play that, but the game after some time, bro, will be absolutely different, as you see. There's old game. There's very old game, and if you find any bugs, they definitely you can even not talk about for me if you find something, because this version is more optimized, more. And this is absolutely rework version, which is on my screen now. So that version after 30 days, now almost 90 days. create info. I don't get what the hell. Why it's still here? So create info. We switch and we clear that, right? Right. But for some reason we don't clear that. Okay, I wanna see, just print here and see if we clear that every time. Info. Okay, wait, what the hell? I have made many games, but now I'm making a new game. Great, bro, great. What's the idea of your new game? Great info. So we switch. Okay, so create stop. Okay, let's print again. Reset switch in create stop. Okay, all should work, right? Right. There is no any info behind. We switch to this one. I open that and tank behind, but then crate is still here. It's very interesting. Maybe we clear incorrectly. Looks like so, yeah. Maybe we clear something incorrectly. Looks like really so. Okay, creates info. Reset switch. So what's the problem? The problem, like after switching between tabs, we don't clear the old one. Maybe there's some problems with this one. Self GUI. Okay, what is self GUI? Maybe really self GUI. Print self GUI. My boys. Looks like I understood what's the problem. Looks like I understood what's the problem. It's just an island, and so you need to craft a boat to go an old castle to get a crystal. Then you can open a portal to the fairy island to trade to get the volcanic crystal. Oh, okay. So what's the type of the game of that? Like adventure or what? Oh, my boys, I've got what's the problem. My boys. I've got what's the problem. Of course, that's it. Create info. Here's we have self GUI creates, not just self GUI. I think what's the problem? What the hell? Self GUI survivors. Let's try now. And just make any steal and brainrot copy and you got the best cash grab game. Bro, if I wanna earn money, I probably not be a Roblox developer. I'll be a web developer or something like so, bro, but I'm here. That means something, bro. So okay, why it's anyway it's here, what the hell? Okay. Okay, shop. We need just to make it invisible, right? Self GUI, self clear. Anyway, it doesn't work, but now all should be clear. Okay, let's just see. Looks like maybe I forget something. Okay, let's see info. Let's see info here. What? Let's okay, info here. Let's go here. Oh yeah, one more. Anyway, we need info also. We need to hide self GUI also of course. Self GUI visible false, and like this one. Let's try now. Okay, switch to the crates info. Okay, go to survivors. So let's see our GUI. Player GUI, screen GUI, inventory frame, info, and let's see what is visible for us. Yeah. So we don't turn off crates. Why we don't turn off? Let's see. Self GUI. This is just info, right? Self GUI crates visible to false. Okay, guys, why I do like so? What the hell? We can make in parent class just controller for all our info, for hiding all info, but this windows. Close info. I don't know about what type of game or what. Yo, can you add basement secret in the game like an Easter egg? Yes, bro, it's already here. I prepared this in my basement, bro. It's on my bed right now. So, my boys, let's create better method here. Why we call that everywhere, I don't know. We don't, I'm not sure we need to clear that, probably not. Just let's self GUI or top in tab this is scrolling frame, in self GUI get children, can we make a game one time? Now I'm working solo, bro, but in the future I don't know, bro. Maybe. What are we making right now? Fixing little bugs about shopping inventory, probably the last ones. Okay, tab visible equals to false. If not tab is a scrolling frame, then continue end. Self GUI first, and just let's call that in parent class. Right, absolutely right. How we call that? Maybe switch we don't need, I'm not sure. Let's try without this one. Create info. Okay, switch we just can leave it like so, because no matter, we just don't call this method, and that's not a big deal. And but let's call the method which called info controller close info windows, like this one. Great, stop. Let's try. I'm not sure it works, but let's try. No any problems, looks like so. Let's try. Maybe we really don't need wait, let's print one make here. Okay, really, that's work. Parent class solve all our problems. Great. Okay, nice. And let's put this everywhere. Yeah, why I just defined that in every class, I don't know. It was my bad. So let's open. Okay, my boys, that's work. Great. So this is really bad approach, like I did before. We have parent class which responsible for every info tab, and that's why we need OOP. That's why we need OOP to make like so, not like me at the beginning. This is definitely not the best approach, because imagine we add a new tab here, and I need again reset switch, all of that. Okay, not reset, not this. I need to make this method again in every tab. We don't need it at all. It's automatically make our parent class for all tabs. 50 tabs I'll add. It's anyway works for everything. If of course we have a GUI. Survivor info. Just one method in our parent class responsible for all our tabs. So let's try again if our bug is fixed, switched already. Reset switch, close info windows, like this one. Okay, let's try. Let's see. So I wanna check info about tank, right? About this tank, for example, it's his blue one. I wanna check tank rate. After that, possible abilities maybe. And then I switch to survivors and I want to check this tank. Okay, okay. Also we need to hide possible abilities, of course. Possible abilities, this is not a problem. This is not a problem. Go in our parent class. Self GUI, possible abilities, probably. Possible abilities, visible false. Let's try again. Let's try. So info about this guy, right? This is tank, for example. This info, possible abilities, switch to survivor, choose just white one. Great. Any issues, my boys? Let's just check tank crate, switch to survivors, tank. Fixed, my boys, fixed. So a lot of bugs we fixed during these 2 days. Let's again check our old bugs, like this one. Tank crate, sort by price. This is more cheaper. So Ninja crate should be first. Ninja crate first. Great. What if we switch to amount, by the way? Let's check. I wanna... Okay. Okay. Any issues, my boys? Any issues? It saves the previous filter we set here. For example, we set to amount. It's still on the amount, as you see. But if I buy like more, like 8, it should be first. It's first, my boys. Perfect. All works perfect. Finally, finally. I'm really tired of making this UI. It's it takes a lot of time, but now I'm very happy to see that all works and with no bugs, at least for now. Of course, you will find something else, and but main critical bugs probably fixed, my boys. I need to go. I come back soon. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. So I'll be here in 2 minutes, my boys. I'm back, my boys. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. One more thing. We have a bug with monster info. Let's try that. What do we have the bug? Oh wait, no any bugs. No any bugs, guys. Why it doesn't work before? Because it's because it was on the top on each other. Now all works. Yeah, great. That's great. Okay, my boys. So I'm gonna equip this guy. Let's start again our game, and it should be here. Yeah, tank. Zombie. Okay, great. Okay, what coins we'll make later? This is donations. So now I think we can start making. What making? Let's go to server script service and matchmaking. Finally, my boys. Finally something not something wait, maybe we don't need really to change something here. Set queue. Minimum players, max players, match delay, second tour after reaching min players. So matchmaking is controlled by one server script. Leave event on server event. Okay, what is lobby controller? What's that, by the way? Oh no, we don't need it anymore. Let's remove unnecessary things. Test by we also don't need anymore. Packages, profile store. Okay, it will be player data, main data controller. What's that? Inventory data. No need, I think. Shop data. Also looks like. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, let's try. Maybe some errors we have. No. All right. Okay. Yeah, okay. but main controller probably we need to have. Main data controller, yes, probably yes. Let's close all of that. Game manager we need definitely, because it starts our game and starts our services. Server data. Server data. Where we use that? Oh, I know, guys, what we use for this. Noel's plugin. Okay, we no, oh really, we can use that. Nice. Data controller. Yeah, we use that definitely. Server date we don't use. Maybe later we use that. Sets alt, let's place it here. So let's leave only necessary information. Hi Profound, hello bro, hello, welcome bro. So oh, we can open that, really, bro, great. Okay. Let's make like so just. Is the lobby GUI in the shop done now? Yes, bro, yes. Not lobby GUI, we need matchmaking to separate by using OOP, and we use ChatGPT for that. Okay, let's make new service better, because if everything will be in the one script, it will be really difficult to control that. Let's create matchmaking system. Matchmaking system. Okay, let's copy layers by default. Okay, matchmaking system. Okay, manages who represents a group of players ready to be teleported. Matchmaking applies rules, min max players, time for a match, infrastructure. Okay. Player queue. Oh, this is just a modules. Great. Let's create them. This is domain layer. Module player queue. Like this. Let's copy that. Match. Okay. much. Your repository. This is memory service, okay. And wait, this is should be application probably. Oh no, event application layer. I don't agree, that's right. Application layer should be this one. Matchmaking service. And this infrastructure layer. Wait, what? Player queue matchmaking. Player queue match. Oh wait. Oh, repository. This is infrastructure. Yes. Infrastructure, matchmaking, main service, application layer. It should be so wait, in infrastructure, this event application layer, black soap. But I use not these events now. Yeah, I use events factory. Let's make better this remote controllers like this. Let's copy and go in infrastructure, put it here, remote factory. We have remotes, we have functions. Remote factory, just create that. What's the game about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level, with procedural generated maps. And here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's a 4 minutes video about this game, so if you want you can watch. But in general, hide and seek with random abilities for survivors. Okay, let's create main events, like join event, like leave event. Let's go to remotes and let's create that here. Join event and leave event. What's that? Oh, this is wait, I know, we can just put that on the server remotes like we made before. Let's remove all of that. Let's clear this one. Oh no, we don't need to clear that, probably we use that. Okay, join event and leave event. Leave event. Go to, so we just create these two remotes and we need to just copy that on server. This is on server, so let's go first on the server remotes. Let's remove all of that, we don't need it anymore. Okay, let's leave one like example. I want to see how we made that. Remote event. Join event, like so. Connect function player with get repository. Okay, that's not a problem. Let's exclude hours of code. Leave event also, let's put it here. Okay, we can remove that, by the way, that's all. Okay, leave okay, not remote event, leave event, like so. On server event. Okay, so this done. Subscribe as sync. This we can just put also in server remotes, but like separate part. Yo, another live. Yo, what's up, bro? Welcome. So let's take from here all of that. Lovely haircut. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Or just didn't style it. Something like so, bro. Just like lost my hairbrush. That's a joke, bro. I just thought, bro, of have the same. That's why I decided like so. Okay. Queue repository. Let's take that. Variables. Okay. Okay, yeah. Looks like all works. But matchmaking service. This is in application layer, definitely. Matchmaking service, yes. Okay. Let's just create 4 layers. Let's local. Okay, let's first get access to our matchmaking system. Local matchmaking system equals replicate storage services matchmaking system. Local application layer. Application layer. Matchmaking system application. Local domain layer. matchmaking domain. Infrastructure layer. Infrastructure. And presentation of okay, maybe presentation we don't need it here. Yeah, looks like we don't need, because this is just server remotes, we don't need it probably here. Okay, matchmaking service. This is application layer. Application layer. Matchmaking service, great. Then queue repository. This is infrastructure layer. Infrastructure layer. Queue repository. Then player queue. This is oh wait, let's close. Player queue. This is domain. Domain. Let's go to domain layer. Domain layer queue. Great. So we separated all of that and get access to all our layers. So this one we probably don't need anymore. Let's delete that. We work with all of that, of course, by using local remotes. Definitely, just leave it like example here, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so we need to get access through matchmaking application layer, right? Right. So we probably need, okay, wait, yeah, of course, there is some problem again. We again needs to define the layers. Let's copy all of that and put everywhere we need. Application layer. Okay, let's just put everywhere we need that. Repository, and probably we need here is presentation layer. Local replicated storage. Game get service replicated storage. Presentation layer. So let's copy that where we need. Matchmaking service queue repository. What's that? Get, just save and get. Okay. Much. Just create table with players and put IDs for the players. Okay. Probably that's all, at least for now, where we need that. Oh, maybe in local remotes we need that. Yes, yeah, we need that. Mods factory. Okay, we don't need services, we don't need a lot of services. Okay. And in server remotes also, let's see. Yes, inventory system, what the hell? We don't have inventory and services, we don't need. Date player data event. Probably not. Like this. So we connect that through our presentation layer. When we press the button, probably we need to call our application layer, right? Right. When we press the button, we call local remotes. We call here as a function, something like what will it be? Like okay, let's see. Like find game. Find game, okay. Okay, this is remote function, remote event we need. And we don't need a cell, return that. Remote events. Remote events, let's create in remote factory that. Find game. What the hell? What the hell? Scripter editor read only doing stable connection. What, bro? What the hell? What does it mean? Very interesting. What is that? Okay, interesting. Okay, find game. So okay, find game, self remote events, fire server. Find game. Okay. Oh wait, what? No, wait. We have join event. Yes. We don't need a find game. Join event probably. Yeah, we already did that. Go to services, matchmaking system, infrastructure, server remotes. Yeah, we have that. Join event. Server remote. Okay, it's for better understanding, probably I just call that like so. Like find game, but here's join event fire server. And we need to connect that with our button. Where is our button? Where is our button? We already had that. You probably. UI starting down. Matchmaking. Oh, matchmaking. Yeah, folder. Play button. Probably image. Yeah, we don't have image. Okay, let me check. We should have that. Maybe not. Yeah, let's take at least for tests for this, just this one. Oh wait. Just for test. Can I ask where you make your UI? Figma, Photopea or Photoshop? Photoshop, bro. Photoshop. Okay, just for test. Why I should care about that? Just for testing, it'll be like so. No. Oh, what? Oh, wait. What the hell? So I have that. I have that. Image transparency 0 is one. Oh, my boys, what the hell? I have that. And here is also transparency 1, 1. Yeah, like this. Okay, and timer, what's timer? Okay, I've got it. So let's create matchmaking system presentation. Buttons controller, maybe. Oh wait, what? Okay, buttons controller. Function buttons controller new. Local self segment the table. Buttons controller. Return self. Function buttons controller init. Okay, of course we need GUI. self GUI equals game get service play. Wait, how I made it before? Maybe in game manager, wait. Oh, that's it, yeah. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, let's close all remotes here, just for now. Wait for child, screen GUI. Yes. Local. Okay, let's group them into folder to have more organized scripts. Local buttons equals self. Okay. Self GUI dot matchmaking dot buttons. Let's make better like this. Buttons dot play button activated connect function and like this, play button and cancel. Okay, what is button? Why? I know this is a button, so let's just cancel and play. I definitely know this is a button. Play and cancel instead of that. Print. So where we need to initialize that in our, of course, main controller. Okay. Local matchmaking buttons controller equals to require services matchmaking system presentation buttons controller and matchmaking matchmaking buttons, this dot new, then making buttons init, okay, interesting. Let's see, my boys. If it works. It works, great. So we connected button with our script. Okay, that's great. Let's make methods here. Let's make methods. Function, buttons controller, toggle, button mode. Self current mode. False. Okay, no, searching. Search. I'm an experienced Roblox developer. Not a lot, bro, not a lot. I'm just have 1.5 year experience. Okay, if nil self-searching equals not self-searching, print self-searching. What does it mean? I wanna see. False. Toggle button mode. Self toggle button mode. Let's see. True. False. Oh, my boys, let's go. I like that. I like that. So great, great, and I can use this thing also somewhere else. I forget where I use that. Okay, so if self-searching else okay, let's also make this variable here in this method, buttons play visible equals to false, button cancel visible to true. Yeah, to true here. True. False. Let's try. I'm not sure it works. Let's try. If self-searching equals to true, Oh yeah, my boys, my problem because I didn't toggle that. Oh great, so I didn't know about that. So not this is not this is not always means nil. This is also mean false. So as you see, self-searching equals not self-searching. So I toggle from true to false, and here's when I check conditions, I can also use like this. If self-searching, like if it's true, so we do this one. If not, so else if it's equal to nil or it's equal to false. So okay, we probably can make like so. Oh, let's make it a little bit different, maybe because we rename that a bit later, I don't know. For button, viewer button, in buttons get children. Folder, okay, get children. Do if button, okay, if not button is a GUI button, then continue end. This is just protection, but so if so button visible equals to false, and we don't need all of that. And here is just we make something true like this one. Better, definitely better. Let's try again if all works. All works great, my boys, all works great. So also of course we need to create a timer. We need to show timer. Toggle button mode. Here's that's not all. We need to create a method which just show our timer, but because this is buttons controller, we don't put it here. We probably pass through in our constructor this one, so we probably don't need these prints anymore. Also guys, why I do like so, maybe you ask. Really, you'll be right if you ask that. Because guys, we can also do the same here. We can also do the same. Instead of just making like so, repeat the code, just make that button activated and this one. It's absolutely the same. Instead of making a lot of code, let's try. As you see, it works absolutely the same, but we don't repeat yourself. We follow this rule and great, code is more organized. So my boys, let's probably connect to our matchmaking service. So we just when we press the button, that's not all. That's not only what we need to do. If searching, we just we need to fire event, of course, which starts our queue. Let's go to our local remotes. First, of course, we need to get access to this. Local, probably we need only local remotes here. Okay, local storage game get service replicated storage local remotes equals okay, require replicated storage services matchmaking system infrastructure remote controllers local remotes. Let's go, my boys. Inside local remotes, when we start searching, we need local remotes call find game. We initialize that, I hope, or not. We probably not initialize that. Yeah, that's the problem. We need to initialize that. I'll be here in 2 minutes, my boys. I'm back. So find game, let's see. Maybe we need some data. I don't remember. Let's go to see local remotes, fire server remotes. Oh, just a player. And leave event. Yeah, let's create find game. Stop finding. Stop finding. This is here in the second one. Yeah, but we need to initialize that, of course, somewhere. Oh, wait. Or not. Maybe we don't need that. Gonna go for now, profan. I'm gonna go def my game as well. Thank you. Okay, wish you good luck, bro. Wish you good luck. Thanks for being here, bro. Thanks for visiting. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Maybe we'll see something. Okay, we see errors, of course. Attempting 6 nil with remote events. Oh, okay. We need to initialize that, of course. Oh yeah, yeah. Of course, my boys. Okay. Matchmaking. Okay, let's just make like so local matchmaking system services matchmaking system, and let's place it here. Local matchmaking local remotes equals to require matchmaking system infrastructure remote controllers local remotes, and then init. Let's try now. What? Wait. Script. Interesting, very interesting. No, something weird. What the hell? Oh yeah, my bad, my bad. I forget to create the folder for that. Infrastructure, remote controllers. Oh wait. Script remotes. Interesting. Okay, let's check again. For some reason we don't. Oh. For fun, I decided to just buy a GUI pack. Why not? Also, maybe one of the best decisions, bro. Because it'll be definitely better, I think. So why not, bro? This is good. Create remotes. Where? Oh, yes, my boy. So of course I found Let's make here's in-game manager. Matchmaking application layer. Maybe we don't need application layer, by the way. Matchmaking. System infrastructure, like this. Create remotes. Init. So maybe like so. Oh yeah, I forget about this one, of course. Player queue. Player queue. This is domain. Player queue. Match also domain. Queue repository. Infrastructure. Yeah, like this. Let's try. Okay, great. So let's close all unnecessary things first. And let's see how we use infrastructure, local remotes somewhere else. So should work. I think I know, guys. I think I know, of course, my boys, because we need to pass through our itself. This is very important. This is what I told about. This is instead of dot, we put the column and we pass like self script or function. Or okay, no any issues. But I wanna see what happens. Oh, player, okay, my boys. Okay, my boys. Okay, let's add. Let's add match players. Oh wait, what the hell? This is old script, we don't need it. Enabled. Wait. Local remotes, okay. Server remotes, let's go here. Q, add player. What is Q? Player Q.new. Okay. Print start ink. Yep. Okay, let's make player. Let's make like so. Player name. Removed from Interesting. Let's make it here better. Or not. Okay, it'll be here. That's okay. Just like a prince. Okay, I am very interested to try it. Try it really. I am really interested. If this work, I'll be surprised. I can't believe that. Yeah, I need my phone for a while, my boys. Oh, not like so. Like so. Oh yeah, I know my boys. What's the problem? Need to wipe data probably. Because there's old data for me. Okay, great. Great, all works. Nice, yeah. Let's see how it looks like in full size, by the way, because I'm very interested. Okay. Sorry, okay. Just a normal boy. Okay. So, looks good. Like all work. Let's buy some specials. So I have ninja crates. Let's buy tank crate 66. Yeah, some problem. Shop system infrastructure data controller of buy crate. Shop system infrastructure data controller 83. Okay, let's try here. Okay, the same. Okay, great. Oh, yeah, I know my boys. I know what's the problem here. Because yes, I know, guys, I know. Probably it works, it's broken everywhere, right? Let's try. Inventory, sell. No, he's sold. Okay, crate, sell. 5. Okay, I've got it, I think. I think I know what's the problem, guys. I think I know what's the problem. Because we format our prices, we send somewhere prices with commas. Looks like so. Because it tell me like we try to make arithmetics with string. That means we definitely sent incorrect data here. Shop system infrastructure. Not okay. Presentation. Sub controller. Maybe viewer controller. Wait. It shouldn't be like so, by the way. It shouldn't be like so. If we send the price here, this is really so weird if I do like so. No. Okay, best deals here. Buy special. Self-selected item. What is self-selected item? Equals to offer. It's not good if I do like so. It's absolutely not good. Yes. I know what's my bad, because okay, let me turn on the camera because I don't need the phone now. Okay, I know what's the problem, because this is really big mistake I made. I just sent a lot of data here about item, all data from the client. This is bad approach. I don't need to do like so. I don't need to trust the client. So probably offer ID. Just offer ID. Yeah, let's make, instead of ID, let's write down only ID here. Like this. So when we press and call this selected item by local remotes by special, let's go. Why I decided to rely on the client data, I don't know. This is pretty interesting. Local remotes by special, create self-selected item. What? Local remotes by special, right? Right. Shop system. Deal ID. Just need here. We don't need amount, we don't need anything here. Just deal ID. Yeah, like this. Deal ID also here. Shop by special. Let's go to the shop. Okay. Local deal equals to, we need to get deal. Yeah, that's it. Deal we can get from here, I think. Function deals get deal by ID. Local all deals. Call this one. Print all deals. 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 Deal by ID. Okay, great. Great. For index properties in all deals, do if not properties ID equal ID, then continue and if properties of equals, return like so. Maybe like this. Let's try. Let's go, my boys. Nice. Great. Nice. I don't understand why I decided to trust the client for some reason when I did like so, but this is very interesting. Okay, great. So this is fixed. Let's now check if all works. So this works. Let's publish to Roblox and let's go to test. So now I need my camera. second, my boys. I need one thing. I'm here, my boys. 1 second. I just need some things. Okay, let's try. So let's hit play and me play also. I think it doesn't work. For real. No, it doesn't work. It's already should find us. Okay, maybe I need to fix something here. Making service in players, much delay. Place ID should be right. Interesting. What's the problem? Okay, what if player 1 only? Much delay 3. Let's try. So it should teleport us after 3 seconds, and it should be error here. But it's not. Okay. One second, guys. So I'm back, my boys. Bro, forget Game Pass and purchasing game currency or crates for Roblox. I don't forget, bro. I don't forget, bro. I just make that a bit later. Just for now, we need to fix, make the main game. Donations probably shouldn't be hard to make. Okay, let's see. Okay, where we teleport our player? Let's see. Probably in infrastructure. This is just a save. In domain, maybe not. This is match player queue. where I saw teleport service. So yeah, reserved code, teleport server, reserved server, place ID. Print 1. I wanna see. Okay, okay. If number of players less or equals max players, more or equals max players, or false, and players more okay, let's try to force that. Server remotes. Let's force that. True. Interesting. That's very interesting. Okay, okay. So queue to list. You're doing great, you're doing great. Keep it up the good work. You're a real professional scripter, bro. You're great. I admire you. Then you were filming add-ons for GNOME Code, your best. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much for these heartwarming words, bro. I really appreciate that. Thank you, bro. Okay. So the problem with just not make these conditions, if players more or equals max players, why okay, where is match delay, by the way? We don't use match delay at all here, guys. We don't use match delay. Okay, min players, for example, 2, and we force searching. OMG, I finally managed to put custom fonts in my games. Oh, great, bro, great. So I think, my boys, we need to try it again, because it looks like it should work. Let me try that. I need my camera again, my boys. It was pain and suffering. Why, bro? Why so hard? Like in Roblox, you mean? Okay. Let's hit play. Let's go, my boys. Okay, it's work. It's work, my boys. What the hell? So yeah, there's some things we need to fix. Oh, how for a very long time I didn't play that. What the hell? I even forgot how it looks like. And so, of course, we definitely remake that later. Let's go. Oh, I really forgot how it feels like. What the hell? Because you cannot put just TTF in font into Roblox, you had to convert into a script sheet and etc. Unfortunately, I found a great video explaining. Oh, I thought it's impossible to put custom fonts in Roblox at all. I thought. Right, you think how you don't become popular because every time you stream for 8 hours? Because length, bro, this is not a key, bro. Length, not a key. If it works like so, bro, probably a lot of people will be very popular. Because key, bro, this is engagement. If people enjoy your stream, even if you stream a couple of hours a day, definitely will be popular. All will be on time, bro. All will be on time. I just continue working. Great. I really missed that. So for a very long time ago, I played late last time that. Let's go. Oh, by the way, this is trampolines. Oh, great. I forgot about that. Good job. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Let's go. Exit and we teleport back, right? Right, my boys. Let's try to play again. Any issues maybe? Let's go. All works. All works, my boys. All works. Can you not standing on my face for fun? Please. Please. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay, I'll be a monster on my phone. Let's try that. Oh, why I'm so fast? What the hell? Oh, I forget, I remade the map. The whole map last time. Oh, what? Sensitivity is so big. 1 second. Okay. It's very difficult to play on the phone, really. At least for me, this is really hard. Okay, let's just run in here. Oh, I changed the health, by the way. Double jump. What else we have? Dash. Oh, this is one of my favorite abilities here. And the school season is starting. Hello, hello, bro. I'm on the house at 3 p.m. Almost 4, bro. What the hell? Why so long? So okay, my boys. Almost working our system, my boys. So anyway, we will already teleported together, my boys. So little fixes and matchmaking system is done. Really, so easy. So That's great, my boys. I'm back. So this is absolutely amazing. That's work, and really, so we separated that so easily. Of course, I'll add a timer. I'll add 10-second countdown, like so. But these will be my boys on the next stream. So my boys. So we need to, by the way, not forget about that. Forcing teleport. So that's it, my boys. Oh. Bro, we finish at 3:30 p.m. and I arrived to home walking. Oh. Why so late, bro? Why so late? Anyway, you finish your school. I finished earlier, I think, if I'm not wrong. Okay, my boys. Thank you all who watched. Thank you all who was on the stream. Thank you all who follow all this journey. And we'll continue next time, my boys. We made a great job for today. We finished fixing all the bugs with inventory and shop. And we almost... we make like a half of matchmaking service, and this is absolutely amazing day, and this is absolutely incredible progress. It means, guys, like soon we definitely start to make the main game. Yeah, we need to refactor also the main game, but that means that we start to play test together with you, my boys, finally, because I really missed of that. And we'll play test, we'll have fun together, and we'll be closer to finish this game, because I'm really tired of making GUI. This is pretty interesting for me. I really hate that. I really hate making GUI and script GUI, but like map generator and abilities will be, this is definitely mine, what I love to do in Roblox. So my boys, thank you all. See you next time. Bye bye. Probably tomorrow, I think. Tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yeah, tomorrow we'll see, my boys. Tomorrow will be stream. So bye bye.